This message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. A terrorist situation on Alcatraz Island has resulted in 81 hostages being taken, and an unknown chemical agent falling into the possession of the terrorists. All citizens in the San Francisco Bay Area should seek shelter immediately, and await further instructions. It is believed that the agent in question is VX nerve agent, which has a kill radius of 100 feet per containment ball. If you are in the affected areas, please get as high up as possible. If you have access to atropine or any other similar drugs, keep them close to you at all times. If you are exposed to the nerve agent, you have around 10 to 15 seconds to inject the atropine as close to your heart as possible. Afterwards, seek immediate medical attention. If you get the agent on your clothes, immediately remove all clothing exposed, and wash with heavy amounts of soap and water. Early exposure symptoms include abnormally low or high blood pressure, blurred vision, chest tightness, confusion, cough, diarrhea, drooling and excessive sweating, drowsiness, eye pain, headache, increased urination, nausea, vomiting, and/or abdominal pain, rapid breathing, runny nose, slow or fast heart rate, small, pinpoint pupils, watery eyes, weakness. Severe or late-stage exposure symptoms include convulsions, loss of consciousness, paralysis, respiratory failure leading to death. The governor has declared a state of emergency and will be speaking on local frequencies shortly. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. It has been confirmed that the chemical agent currently being aimed at the Bay Area is in fact VX nerve agent. If possible, please evacuate at this time. Please proceed to the nearest town beyond the mountains, and stay there until further instructions are issued. Until an all clear is issued, filter your water as best as possible. If you come in contact with an oily, clear, non-smelling substance, immediately attempt to wash it off. If you or a family member experience symptoms and inject atropine, immediately dial 911. The governor has declared martial law in the state of California. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. This is an all-clear message. It has been confirmed by civil authorities that the threat on Alcatraz Island is over. All terrorists are dead, and all hostages have been released. Martial law and the state of emergency have been lifted. This marks the deactivation of the emergency alert system, ceasing transmissions at the tone.